Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have this gorgeous 2019 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4 to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it is shown in the stunning diamond black crystal pearl color. And that pairs beautifully with the black and front bumpers, as well as your black accessories, mud flaps, side steps, etc. And you have those beautiful 20-inch wheels that are housing a brand new set of all-terrain tires. This has been fully safetied and inspected and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So you do get your factory remote with your unlock, lock, panic button. Again, we'll give you a shot of these beautiful all-terrain tires. You do have the fog lights in the front. You have your signal light indicators on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature, and a beautiful black interior. Power mirrors, windows, and locks. Your mirrors are also power folding. Lots of storage in the door, side steps helping you in, great molded all-weather mats, keeping everything in excellent condition. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support, and you get a great sporty finish on there. They're also heated. Your steering wheel is also heated. Cruise control and shifting options to your right, to your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection, and audio-mounted controls. Power pedals, fully automatic headlights, and a tilt and telescopic option on the steering wheel. And your current mileage sits at 52,257 kilometers on here currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. To the right, you have your push-button start, and then beside that, you have your dial shifting knob and 4x4 options. Nice textured dash, added stitching for detailing, RAM detailing up top with a bit of extra storage, and a 12-volt outlet. Again, heated seat and steering wheel options, AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio. And then for your media, you can connect through USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and you have a CD player in here. So 3 different settings. Back to the screen again. And then you also have your backup camera. It does come on automatically in reverse, but it is nice that you have the option to turn it on whenever you'd like. An app screen giving you easy access to some of the technology, a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone and settings. Down below that, you have the manual buttons for your climate and media, including air conditioning, traction control, tow haul, and then you have a well-designed center console area here, 2 cup holders, tons of storage space throughout, and it does slide. And you have all that space underneath that connects to the front. I'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything's truly in excellent condition throughout here. Locking glove compartment, additional space above that with the sport badging, illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, sunglass storage, and your rear sliding window. As we head into the back, the door opens nice and wide. Lots of storage throughout the door, side steps extending, helping you in, tons of space back here. Storage behind the seats, 2 cup holders. You have 2 more in the middle, and then the bottoms of the seats lift up easily, so if you do need to take advantage of that extra cargo space, you can do that. You also have storage bins beneath the feet. As we head into the back, you have that rear sliding window, a tonneau cover on here already, which is great. The back bed is lined for added durability. You have that easy open tailgate feature and tie-down hooks in the 4 corners. So as you can see, that was just a super quick tour. This is an absolutely gorgeous truck. If you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.